Okay, so now that I've made everybody's plates, I'm gonna have the leftover food. So I'm gonna have all the chips, and then I have my 2 pieces of fish. Yummy, I love fish. Then I also have some mushy peas. I'm gonna take all the leftover sweet corn. I love sweet corn. Then a slice of lemon, which I'm actually gonna squeeze on my fish. And then I'm gonna have some parsley sauce and a little bit of curry sauce. I forgot the name of it. Okay, let's give it a try. First, a chip with curry sauce. Bismillah. It's so nice. Now I'm gonna try it with fish with parsley sauce, a chip, some mushy peas, and see. Bismillah. It's the best fish and chips in town.